Well, you've made it. Congratulations. If you do fancy getting your hands on some official merch, make sure you head to the Spectator. Well done, guys, you've done it! Congratulations to you! Another amazing charity night there, well done! Well done, sir, congratulations! We're still looking out for the Furby family. We're looking out for the two Richards as well. Looks like Where's Wally, isn't it? And here comes our next finisher. Well done to you. The British Red Cross, another amazing cause. You guys, you've just finished. Well done.
See the Spectator thing.
Yeah, what? Oh, nothing but a fuss.
Well, guys, congratulations to you. It's Aaron! Happy birthday, Aaron!
Sorry.
I was told you'd be wearing Italia, and indeed you are. I wish I could say happy birthday in Italian, but I can't. Welcome to our finishers. Congratulations to each and every single one of you. We completed the moments of Brighton 2023.
That's my mom, was it?
What I think is so amazing about today's event is that each cyclist has their own story and their own journey, and I absolutely love that. So every cyclist that crosses the finish line today, they'll have their own. Big smiles for your photos as you cross the finish. Well done, guys, you've made it to Brighton Seafront. Congratulations. You're very brave wearing a Crystal Palace top in Brighton. Eagles! Apologies for any flight with that. Here come our next finishers. Well done, guys, you've made it. Congratulations. Each and every single one of you absolutely smashing it as you cross the finish line here in Brighton. I love it. Sprint finish. But just remember, slow down. Well done, guys, you've made it. Welcome to Brighton. If you want a nice little memento of your event and your ride today, we've got some absolutely amazing photographers from Marathon Photos taking pictures of today's event. So make sure you head to marathon-photos.com to purchase your photos. Well done to you, Black Mamba, crossing the finish line. You've done it. SpongeBob, you did it too. I've done it, welcome to Brighton. Here they come. Well, guys, you made it. Congratulations to each and every single one of you. Alzheimer's Society, another amazing charity, one of our charities here today. And those cyclists just keep on coming. Well done, guys, you've done it. Congratulations. Yes, guys, you've made it. Well done. Welcome to Brighton. Some of our riders there supporting the WWF, another one of our charity partners here today. Alzheimer's Society, Alzheimer's UK Research and WWF have their tents in the event village, so make sure you do go and check them out. Also, in the event village, you have got Scimitar, who are our event merchandiser, offering official L2B merchandise. So make sure you go and check those out. Shelter, an amazing charity, well done to you. You've also got food and drink in the event village. You've got gin and tonic. Sounds really good. Okay. Remember, 8 more days and then a host pipe band. If you're not from West Sussex, lucky you. Look at it, he's giving himself a round of applause. You've made it, well done sir, you've done it. Huge congratulations. To all of our finishers joining us here on Brighton Seafront. You've done it, well done guys. Yes, you've done it, well done. One of our more sensible riders in the waterproof. Well done guys, congratulations. Welcome to Brighton. Well done guys, as you cross the finish line here in Brighton. Well done, you finished 2023's London to Brighton bike ride. Don't forget, hashtag London to Brighton on the socials. Well done sir, you've done it.
Very good.
Well done sir, you've made it to the finish line, congratulations. I was actually talking to a cyclist earlier who's taking part in today's event. He was saying he found it very expensive to buy a tyre pump. He said it was inflation. She liked that one. Well done guys, welcome to Brighton. You're very brave and I like it. Here she is, what's your name? Jean! She's shouting at me, but Jean, yes! Well done, Jean! I love ya! So for our spectators who are sticking with us, I respect you because it's starting to get a little bit heavier with the rain. But I see you, I respect you, I salute you. To any of our cyclists who you've come to support today, if they start on the way... That was clearly competitive, that sprint finish. Here he is, ladies and gentlemen. This is Angel. This is Crowd Watch. This is Angel off the roller skates. Angel, we've been waiting for you.
Wow.
All the way from London on his rollerblades.
Thank you so much.
Well done, sir, you've finished. And if any of you are wondering where some of the money goes, the British Heart Foundation have donated 806 CPR machines to schools in Greater London. So that is just a smidge of where the money raised goes. An amazing
Young boy.
gesture, I'm sure you agree. But well, guys, as you cross the finish line, it's raining, but they're still smiling. Guys, congratulations. Well done to you. And to you, and to you, and to you, and to you. Beans, beans, good for your heart. I'll let you finish that one up. And here come our next finishers. Well done to each and every single one of you. The Rocking Horse Children's Charity, another great charity, well done to you. Prostate Cancer UK, another finisher from you, well done. Twin West Sussex, 99 research projects with the British Heart Foundation, £78 million going into those research projects with the British Heart Foundation. In London, where we started today's event, £128 million have gone into research with the British Heart Foundation into cardiac diseases. Some amazing work, I'm sure you'll agree, so please don't forget to share your photos online, share your Just Give It pages, and encourage your closest, your nearest and dearest to donate whatever they can. Guys, you've finished. Well done. Guys, make sure you're slowing down as you make your way to the finish line. Stay nice and safe, you've made it this far.
Yeah.
She just looks relieved that she can get out of her wet clothes. She's like, get me into something dry, please. And they just keep on coming. Well done, sir. And well done to the both of you. Alzheimer's Society, another great charity. Well done, guys, to each and every single one of you for crossing the finish line here today. You and to all of our other finishers who are making their way towards the finish line. He's only doing that to sharpen his pattern. Well done, guys, you've made it, St Mary's, yes. And to Roy's Boys. Well done, Roy's Boys, you've made it.
Asking for a
And well done
cold,
to the
cold
fella
beer.
who's just finished in the M&M top. Serious question, crunchy, peanut or chocolate? Well done guys, welcome to Brighton. Here come our next lot of finishers. Give them a huge cheer as they cross the finish line. Well done guys. The mother truckers, you've made it to Brighton, well done to you. Huge congratulations to all of our finishers. Welcome to a very wet but wonderful Brighton. We're pleased to see you. As you cross the finish line, make sure you get yourself your finisher's medal and your very well deserved bottle of water. I love it, he knew it was going to be wet, so he's wearing swimming trunks. Congratulations, sir. And well done to all of you guys as well, welcome, congratulations. She looked very happy with herself. Well done guys, you've made it. Welcome to Brighton. And well done to the Tiddlers girls. You've made it to Brighton as well. I'm not quite sure what Tiddlers means, I won't ask. £1,200, which is an amazing achievement. So we're going to look out for those two Richards. We've also got lots of other finishers. Well done to you. Well done, congratulations. Welcome to Brighton. Well done, sir. You deserve to celebrate. Alzheimer's Society, an amazing charity. The British Heart Foundation, two lovely ladies, well done to you.
For the photo.
Don't forget guys, every single penny goes to an amazing cause, regardless of whether it's £10 or £1,200 like the two Richards. Every little bit helps. Please make sure you are sharing your Just Giving pages on your socials. Upload a photo from the event today and get your nearest and dearest to donate, because all of the money raised today goes to some phenomenal causes. We're currently standing at £750,000, which is an amazing, amazing sum. Much larger than last year's event, and we're hoping to go even bigger. Congratulations. I love it. You're the first person today to stop and take a photo. You do you. We love you. Yes. I feel like I need to get involved in this. Hang on, I'm coming. I hope the microphone reaches. I'm coming. What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from, Laura? Laura from Ireland, everyone! Goodbye, Laura. Give her a massive cheer as she comes down the finishing straight. She had to stop and take a photo. Laura, we salute you. I have no words. I bet she's fun at parties. Right, carrying on. Don't forget, we're looking for the two Richards. They will be here very, very soon.
Richard.
By the way, for those of you with brollies up, rain it. Here they come, here's our next lot of finishers making their way towards the finish line. Guys, welcome to Brighton. second high five today. Don't forget to visit our official event merchandiser, Scimitar, to get your official event merchandise from today's London to Brighton. Also, shout out to Pure Gym, today's sponsor. Well done, sir, you finished. Congratulations to you, and to you, and to you. He was doing that clicky finger thing. I like it. Also, shout out to the guys on the megaphones down here. You're doing an amazing job. What's your names? Roger and Mike on the megaphones, by the way. Salute you. Doing a phenomenal job, Roger and Mike. Well done, gents. You've done it. Alzheimer's Society. And to all of you as well. I think that's everything in mental illness. Well done to you. And to you too. Big celebrations as you cross the line. You've done it. Well done, guys. Welcome to Brighton. You look shattered, but you've smashed it, mate. Well done. And well done to you, sir, as well. Welcome to Brighton. Another amazing charity jersey. Keep on coming. Well done, guys. You've done it. Well done. You look great in that colourful jersey, by the way.
Hey.
Well done, sir. Congratulations to you.
Doesn't have a number.
Oh, that was dangerous. I'm pretty convinced you haven't done the bike ride, but well done. Here come our next lot of finishers. Guys, you've smashed it. Well done.
Does it look like he's
Congratulations
done
to
the bike
you.
ride now? Huh? Maybe he just sneaked in.
No, they can't.
Plenty more finishers. They're going to keep on coming. Yes, guys. You've done it. Well done. WWF, amazing charity. Their tent is in the event village. And well done to all of you as well. Now these lovely ladies we see, I've been told they're all from Yorkshire. I don't know whether that's true or not. Guys, I've got some very sad news for you. I feel like I haven't done my job properly today. I missed the two Richards. But the two Richards have crossed the finish line. No one told me they were coming.
They're crossed already.
The two Richards have finished, raising over £1,200 for charity, which is an amazing feat. Cycling from Essex to London to Brighton. So the two Richards, if you can hear me, I salute you. I'm sorry I missed you. Alzheimer's Research UK, well done to you guys. So many amazing charities and riders we are seeing here today. Well done, sir, you've done it. And to you guys, well done. Well done, guys. Don't forget, if you do want to celebrate any of your success on your socials, hashtag London to Brighton. We will be checking them out because we want to see and celebrate all of your stories post today's event. Well done, sir. You've done it. Congratulations to you. So when our cyclists cross the finish line down here, they first get greeted by Mike and Roger on the megaphones, telling them to slow down. And then once they dismount their bikes, they do get their finisher's medal. They also get a very well-deserved bottle of water. And if they fancy, they can also visit Scimitar, who are our event merchandiser, to get their official event merch. Some of them will be getting on a coach to go back to London. And if you fancy going back to London with them, we do still have a few spaces left on the coach. First come, first served. If you want to know more, head into the event section of the London to Brighton parade and you will be able to find out more about whether there's space left on our coach.
For free?
Maybe.
And here come more amazing cyclists, young and slightly older, as they cross the... I was very careful with my words there. Well done to each and every single one of you, whether you're doing it on your own or in tandem. Each and every single one of you have absolutely smashed it. Well done, guys. How'd you get Pikachu onto a bus? You Pokemon! Well done. You've done it. Well done, guys, congratulations. I think that said chain stoppers on your top.